Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you buzz up and create wealth for yourself. Now, if you're new to my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and making more money doing less work. So if you're interested in all that good stuff, be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about ways to make passive income. So I talk about passive income here all the time, and I'm sure you guys want to know how to actually get started, actually get into creating passive income and seeing results. So the first way to make passive income online, of course, is to invest in digital products. I personally love digital products. If you've been watching my videos, you know I talk about digital products a lot. Digital products are things like ebooks. So an ebook is basically a digital version of a real book. So ebooks are great digital products to look into. Online courses, again, if you're good at teaching or you have a skill that you want to help other people with, then you can definitely convert that into an online course. You can also create things like meal planners, templates. Guys, go onto Etsy right now and see how much money people are making selling digital products on Etsy. People are selling things like templates. You can sell things like your art. If you're good at drawing, you can literally draw and replicate that art and sell it on Etsy, right? So selling digital products, in my opinion, is the #1 best passive income business to start. And when we talk about passive income, we're talking about money that you can make without being physically present, and that's basically the, you know, digital products are basically the perfect passive income idea to look into, because you don't have to worry about shipping products, you don't have to worry about processing orders. Everything is automated for you. Okay, I personally sell lots of digital products. I run Boutique Academy. I have books on Amazon that are making me money without me being physically present. You can literally go out there and write a book about something you're passionate about, something you're skilled about. There's someone out there looking for that information, guys. Don't underestimate your skills and your talent. And I personally love digital products because you don't need to invest a lot of money to start. Unlike having to start a physical store or selling products, you have to buy inventory and all those things that can tie up a lot of your capital. You don't need to do that with digital products. You create the product once, put it on your website, start bringing in the customers, and everything else is automated from them. And the good news is you don't even have to go through that process of creating digital products yourself. Why? Because with platforms like funnelpire.com, you can gain access to done for you digital products that you are legally allowed to rebrand and resell as your own and keep 100% profits. Okay, it's honestly the best platform for anyone looking to sell digital products. Save yourself the stress and head over to funnelpire.com. You gain access to already done for you books in different niches. I think it's about 30 to 50 different niches right now, and new niches are added every single month. So you guys definitely check out the platform if you want to sell digital products but you don't want to go through the stress of creating them yourself. Another passive income idea you could look into is drop shipping. I love drop shipping because that's how I started my boutique fashion. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know an advocate for dropshipping. I love it because it's brought me to where I am today in terms of my boutique business. I started with £200 about $300 or so, and it was all dropshipping, and that was a great way for me to get myself out there without risking a lot of money on inventory. And as the years have gone by, of course, I've started buying more wholesale because now I understand the market. I've learned the business, I've learned the trade, and I know what's selling, so I can confidently go out there and buy products because I already know my customers want those products, right? And dropshipping is a process where, for those of you who don't know, you don't have to buy any inventory in advance. Simply find a supplier that actually sells the products. Instead of buying wholesale from that supplier, you can just have an agreement with them to ship it out directly to your customer, right? So every time a customer buys from you, you pass the details over to the supplier and they ship the products to your customers directly. So you don't have to deal with any inventory. You don't have to touch any inventory, guys. It's another easy way to create passive income online selling physical products. Dropshipping is the best way to get started. And if you're looking to get everything created for you, so if you're looking for the complete dropshipping package, check out dropshipfinds.com, where you get your website designed for you, preloaded with dropshipping products that you can start selling ASAP. All you have to do is pick a niche and get your website done for you, and you can be up and running in the space of just hours. So check out Dropship Finds if you're looking for an all-in-one web design service, even logo design service to get your business up and running, preloaded with dropshipping products you can start selling right now and making money. Okay, super easy. Another passive income idea you can look into is to make money selling hair. Okay, if you are a woman out there, you know, especially us black women, I'm sure we all wear weaves. lace frontals, closures, wigs, and all that stuff. You know, I do anyway, and I'm sure that you personally do probably, or even if you don't, you probably have a sister, a cousin, an auntie, a mom, someone that wears hair, right? You literally have people around you that obviously potentially your customers already. You already have your potential customers around you right now that you could be making a lot of money from. Every woman wants to look good. If you want to make passive income online selling hair, you don't even have to buy a single piece of inventory. In fact, you can get started for free. Check out www.yesweave.com. You can sign up as an affiliate, promote, and earn 15% commissions. Once you sign up as an affiliate, you gain access to your own referral link that allows you to start making money. That's the link you're going to be sending out to your friends, your family, your aunties, your sisters, your cousins. And every time they buy through your link, you earn 15% commissions. Simple. That's passive income to me. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Let me know if there's any of these passive income strategies that resonated with you. Is there anyone you're currently doing right now? Let me know. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.